side story. Farewell, Sonic.
Are there any more marshmallows?
Hey, Sonic! Hey, Sonic! Hey, Sonic! Hey, Sonic!
Sonic!
Bro to bro!
Are there any more marshmallows?
Knuckles, is there something you want to tell us?
No.
Knuckles?
Okay.
Knuckles?
Okay. I have a
Marshmallows?
tomorrow. He's gonna pull my tooth.
Comedy chip, and it's continuously hit in the face with pies.
Old monkey!
No.
Comes down to this one penalty kick. Can the young woman break the glass ceiling and prove once and for all that a female can be just as good an athlete as a male?
Sonic Adventure 2. Hero side story. Farewell.
You know, Amy, anytime someone calls attention to the breaking
Any more marshmallows?
rules, it ultimately undermines the concept of hippopotamus too? What? Just because I'm a problem doesn't mean I'm not a I have a dentist appointment.
Bro to bro! What's up with you?
Feminist.
No!
Oops, one too many.
I didn't even bring any weapons! Here, check my—
Old monkey!
And teamwork! And it's...
Dusty sidekick. Hi-oh! Wait, what?
This is fun.
Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my God, what am I?
The military's top secret weapon project.
Old monkey!
Stolen from the military base located on the deserted island in the southern seas. This incident